First exercise. Second exercise.
So you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah.
Third exercise.
I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Fourth exercise. Fifth exercise.
Green Nation, we control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world's too anxious, we'll adapt to all survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the deep.
Sixth exercise. Seventh exercise.
I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah.
Eighth exercise.
Yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah.